Hello and congratulations in completing weeks 1 and 2 of Supercharge, your Spanish conversations with the speaking practice. This is Beatrice. I am the founder at Spanish Practice Club, and this is lesson 3. So we are in week 3 of your course. This week, we are going to be learning the following. We're going to be reviewing the personal pronouns in Spanish to consolidate what we've learned in the previous weeks. We are going to be learning a brand new verb, the verb estar, which is also the verb to be in English, and in the present of indicative. So what are the differences between those two verbs, estar and ser? And we're going to do a little summary of it so that we can help you summarize all that information in your brain. We're going to be learning when to use it, and also a new verb, the verb I, which is the third person of the verb haber, and it means there is or there are in the English language, and how do we use that as opposed to the verb estar. We are also going to be learning the Spanish indefinite articles, un, una, unos, unas. In the pronunciation part of this week's lesson, we are going to be focusing on the letters C, Z, Q, and K. So the Spanish letters C, Z, Q, and K. And then we're going to put all that together, the pronunciation, the use of all these verbs in the present of indicative, and we are going to include that in the conversation topic of this week, which is going to be how to arrange a meeting with friends in the Spanish language. So how do you ask effective questions so that you can get the answers that you want, like the when are you meeting and where are you meeting, and how to use those verbs in Spanish. And then, as usual, we will have our weekly recap, your homework, what do you need to do, what are your action steps to get you to the level of conversational Spanish that you want, as well as any free extra material that you can download from the website, from the course website. So your material for this week is your PDF student workbook, your pronunciation guide also on PDF format together with the pronunciation video. And this week we have included 2 bonuses. One is your city buildings, so edificios de la ciudad. We're going to be talking about locations, and also a new infographic, which includes emojis and emotions, because we're going to be using the verb estar, and that's another main use of this verb to talk about how we are feeling right now, or things that can change.